Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today's video is going to be a little on the shorter side again, and that's because I've been running around non-stop all day. I've been fulfilling a bunch of orders, restocking plushies for my online shop, packing everything up, and then making the big trip to the post office to drop off all the packages. It was definitely one of those blink and the day is over kind of days. But honestly, I'm super grateful. Every order, every message, every person who checks out the shop, it all keeps me motivated even when I'm buried under tape and bubble wrap. I've also been working on adding some new plushies soon. They're really cute, and I can't wait to show you all once everything is ready. Anyway, I just wanted to pop in, give a quick update, and say thank you for your patience while I juggle shop life and video making at the same time. You all are amazing. Alright, that's it for today's mini update. I'll have a longer video coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the shop if you want to grab something handmade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.